This race will begin in roughly 45 seconds. I'm now finding out what Santa does during the summer. I didn't know he was a cardboard boat expert, and that there are two of him, and that he's lost a lot of weight. But he's still jolly. Alright, the race is beginning in 15 seconds. That yellow boat has got to get in. The yellow boat is not getting in. Alright, the race is beginning in 10 seconds. It'll begin in 3 now, you're all ready. 3, 2, 1, begin! And down goes Shaheen in boat 1. Santas are paddling along, saying ho 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 all the way to the finish. Give it up for Santa in the off-season, folks. That's an impressive first place finish. Meanwhile, it's a fight for second, but I think we have our clear second place winners. Congratulations, you have arrived at your destination. And Moby